Savage XL on 6S with JETKO King Cobra MT tyres, 3.8 inch, belted. Everything else is stock except for the fact that I've tightened my slipper clutch because it was, after the first 4S one, it was slipping like crazy. And then I came out here to run this on 6S with the stock tyres, and just driving it out here, it just spat out a chunk of tyre, so it completely destroyed one of my front tyres, and the ones that I had on the X were all sorry, the original ones that I had on this one were all coming unglued, all 4 of them. I had the original tyres with the X, which I then replaced, and that's the one that blew. So I don't have any other tyres other than these. I was actually going to run the X with these tyres, but I guess now I'm running the XL. Man, I love this. Thing's got way too much power for 6S. Way too much. Whoop, 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 whoop. All right, let's go do some jumping. Let's see how it goes. Whoa. Now, one of the compromises with having belted tyres a lot of the times is sometimes you compromise on grip, which I experienced with the trenches belted, and you also compromise air control a lot of the time. So let's see how these ones go. Obviously no ballooning going on with this thing at the moment, but that's servo. So just the weight of the car is causing this thing to go all over the shop, as you can see. And I have broken it, I think. Yep. Something, you can see only one wheel's turning. I saw that. So, oh, what's this? What's this? Is it a link that's popped out maybe? That's all that's happened. That does not look broken to me. So, okay. Maybe all that's happened is a link's popped out. Okay. I'll see if I can pop this guy back in and we'll keep going. Okay, we're back in business. That link's gonna pop out again. I managed to put it back in way too easy. There's no washer to really keep it in place, so I guess any type of stress is gonna cause these links to pop out. This thing is crazy powerful on 6S, just like the X is, of course. But the downside here is that the X, last time I drove it on 6S, it's got an upgraded servo, so it works a little bit nicer. This one, oh, don't tell me the diffs are gone on this as well. Oh no, no, no. That link's popped out again? I think that link's popped out again. Yeah, hang on, what's happened here? I'm not here. Yeah, the link's popped out again. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave this run here. We'll come back another day and I'll fix the links. I'll change out the servo and we'll see the XL running properly on 6S the way it should be, because at the moment, yeah, all it takes is a little bit of a tumble, and as you can see, the link popped out and yeah, truck isn't working. So it's had a bit of a rough start. Hopefully I will get it right and we'll see a full run with the Savage XL. For now, that is it from me. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.